Hi guys, hope you're doing well. I'm just here doing a quick little haul here. All of these items were purchased at Real Canadian today. All of the cereals are family sized and all Kellogg's. So we've got 4 big boxes of the Rice Krispies, 2 of the Frosted Flakes, 1 Fruit Loops, 1 Crave, 4 freezer bags of Ziploc, and then 4 Degree Men antiperspirants, and then 4 Degree Motion Sense antiperspirants as well. So I'm going to give you the breakdown here. The cereals, so I'm going to give you first the prices, the original prices at Real Canadian. So $4.98 for each box of cereal, $3.48 for the Motion Sense antiperspirant, and then $4.78 for the Degree Men. The Ziplocs were $3.78 individually. So the grand total was $88. This week at Real Canadian, there is no tax. It would have been a little bit more, but it was $88 because there was no tax. So I price matched everything. These cereals were $4.44 at Walmart, $1.88 for the deodorants or the antiperspirants at No Frills, and then $3.44 for the Ziplocs at Walmart as well. So the grand total came up to $64.32. So this is why I always tell you guys, price match, that's the number one thing you want to do to save your money, because just in price matching, I saved $23.68. So after the price matching and after my coupons, so my bill afterwards, well, I guess I'll tell you the coupons I used. So I had $1 off coupons for the cereals individually. I was missing 1 coupon. My printer is not working quite well right now, so I was not able to print off 1 coupon. So I had $1 off for the cereals. I had $1 off for Crave. So just one of them didn't have a coupon applied to it. There are coupons for Ziploc. They were inserts from newspapers. I never got my hands on those, so that would have been even great, like better deal, but I didn't have them. And then I had $1 off any Degree product, so I used 8 here. And just for reference, this was done in 4 separate transactions. And the reason being is these go on checkout 51, and you can only do one of each, or sorry, like a combo, this one and this one on each account. So just letting you guys know. So in coupons, I spent $15. I had $15 worth of coupons. Like I said, it would have been 16 because I was missing a Kellogg's, but $15 total in coupons. Then there was a PC offer at Real Canadian where it was buy 2 family-sized Kellogg's cereal with 1 Ziploc product and get back 6,000 points, which is the equivalent of $6. So in PC points for this entire transaction, I got back 24,000 points, which is $24. My husband's PC account had a Ziploc offer, which I believe was 200 points for every dollar spent on Ziploc. Unfortunately, because this had to be broken down into 4 transactions, I was only able to get those points for 1 transaction, so we got an additional 60 cents for the Ziploc on a separate offer. Checo 51, it was $1 back for each deodorant, so I got back $8 for the deodorants. And if you're paying attention, like I said, I price matched these $1.88 at No Frills, and I used a $1 coupon, bringing them down to 88 cents with the coupon, and then $1 back on Checo 51. So these are 12 cents in my pocket for each one of these. So these are free. And then with Kellogg's, they have this promotion here that you can see on the Frosted Flakes box. You will get back $5 prepaid credit card that they'll send to you for every 2 purchases, every 2 boxes. The thing is, you don't actually have to buy the boxes with this print on it, because you don't have to take a photo of the box. You just take a photo of your receipt on their website. So this is good to have just so you know which website you're going on, but that's just kind of a little tidbit of information for you. So for every 2 boxes, I'm going to get back a $5 gift card. So that is $20 worth of gift cards for purchasing 8 boxes. So my total when I left the store was $50.32 because that was after coupons and price matching. So $15 of coupons, $24 in points, 60 cents in the Ziploc offer of points, $8 back on Checkout 51, and then $20 back in prepaid gift cards. My total comes out to negative $2.28, meaning I was given, or I'm going to be given, $2.28 to take all of this home. So this is the power of price matching, couponing, and rebate apps. So if you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. Any links that I have, either to the rebate apps or to coupons, will be in my link tree, which is in the description down below. And I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.